Moikka! It has been a little while since the previous video. We took a trip to France and now it is so nice to get back to the craftings again. I was asked in the comments if I could do a travel journal, and actually I need one for random doodling and it should be lightweight for travels. We found this beautiful chocolate box on our trip and I had this idea to use it on my travel journal. So let's start by cutting the cover, and I am making this A5 size so I can fold the A4 pages to it. And now I'm using a bone folder and a ruler to make the folding a little bit easier. As you can see here, the folding starts to crack a bit, so I decided to use some tape to reinforce the spine. And now some PVA glue, and I am throwing in a fabric piece for the spine. And now I want to say a huge thank you to my relatives, Heikki, Pia and Kerttu. They have an interior design and decor store, Kamomille, in Helsinki. They sent me a massive batch of fabric samples. I have a wall full of them and a big pile of sample books. This is a true treasure for me, and I feel like a millionaire. So a warm thank you. I will put the store link in the description box below if you want to go and check out the store. Yes, let's get back to the journal. Here I am choosing the fabric that would be suitable for the cover, and I decided to use this thicker fabric. This is a handy way to make the signatures. It's fairly easy and you can add some pages afterwards if you want to. I am making 3 signatures for the journal, and here are the previously made signature pages. now let's slide the signatures under the yarn, and that's about it. Next, let's move on to the closing. A little hole to the cover and then a golden button and a ribbon finishes this project nicely. But now I am making a cup of coffee, and next I have a day job project on the table. And then when I have the chance, I will jump into the art journaling world, and I can't wait. I am so excited. So next time there will be an art journaling video. Thank you so much for watching and Happy New Year! Moi moi!